BBL. It's going directly to Enchanted na. So we purchased the ticket, the entry and the round trip transfers. So use my code down below.
We're now departing here.
Mabuhay and welcome to Enchanted Kingdom.
Magical morning. Again. 3, 2, 1.
Magical morning. Welcome to the bus system. Emergency exits are located on your left side of the door.
And what's that?
Oxygen mask will flow.
Will flow? FA pero online class. What about this?
To fasten the seatbelts, pull the locket, and pull to threaten. We're here at AK.
Strictly implemented in public places. It goes for the fun.
Okay, ma'am. Invisible stamp naman siya. We're here. This is
Where we eat.
Keratin!
Ganyan agad?
Oo. Swing lang yan. Swing lang yan.
Alam mo lang. So, this is our first ride.
Baka pagbaba ko, tagalin damit ko. Dayan. Nakalagay yung camera sa wrist ko right now. Oh my God! Wow! Ayun na! Okay ba?
7 kasi nabitin ako.
Nabitin? 1-0. Ay! Ay! Next ride.
Second ride.
So guys, tapos na kami dyan sa ride na yan. Hindi pwedeng dalhin yung camera so I wasn't able to film. Yung pwede lang nga daw, yun sa chest. Space shuttle na! Hawak mo ha. Medyo mahirap po guys.
Worst ride ever. Most extreme.
Ay! Shh! Quiet!
Talikod muna to.
Yan na!
Layo ka niya.
Lock naman. Guys, hindi ko maikot. Ano ba muna palikod?
Parap, abang niya muna to. Pag tunog, yun na. Tapos mamaya pa talikod.
Oh my God, natakot ko.
Yun na, tutunog na.
Palikod na guys! Yung super init if you can see like my sweat. Tsaka sa likod. We're ordering our favorite buko shake. We're here at the here at the Ferris wheel in the eye of the mountain. Eye of the mountain. Cute. See the line where the sky meets the sea. It calls me. No, no.
Wow!
Huwag mo isipin, Lai!
Kaya mo ning hangin? Ay, pababa na tayo?
Oo. Mo,
We're
hindi nito.
here at the eye of the mountain in the wheel of fortune. Hey. Our number, you know our number is?
21! Can you do some for me? Can you leave a rich flex for
May
me?
Jollibee pala doon. Sa labas?
We're at Aguila, guys.
Let's try. I am Nicki Minaj, back to loser. I can't.
A magical flight with Aguila. The experience.
Guys, bawal mag-video dito, so see you
Welcome to
later,
Aguila.
breakers.
How's the experience?
It's good. Mas lalo kong na-appreciate yung beauty ng Philippines. I realized that there's so much more things to see and do in the Philippines.
Yes, I second the motion. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Hindi naman siya, oh. Benten! Ganda.
Baka lumabas si ano dyan Bulbasaur.
Recommended for guests with the following health.
Hindi kita sila eh. Ay! Wala ba? Yes! Napasigaw ako sa last. Napasigaw ako sa last kasi feeling ko ang tagal pa.
Uy, mag-Vikings muna kayo. May Vikings na!
Okay, game. Pag pinawal pa yung camera dyan, naku. Nakaupo na lang. Guys, hindi ko, I told myself not to, stream. Pero ang tagal niya, like, ang bagal niya kasi, Feeling ko ang bagal niya. Parang hanggang diba? Parang,
Hindi, okay lang okay lang na. Tapos gaganon pa sa huli.
Mag-iwan, padala po lahat ng gamit.
dito. Yung gusto ko mahangin to. Pero hawak na hawak.
Ay, mama. Joke lang pala. Ay, yung pababate. Papasa. Oh, sigain na yun.
Napalubos na ako ako. Strong, walang coat.
Copper fan. Hi, mami. Basik lang.
Nabasa ako.
Sabi sa'yo Guys, so fun. So fun, no?
Yan na. Feeling ko mahuhulog ako sa upuan! Kabul mo kung mabasa ako!
Tayo ngayon.
Yung matas niya ini! Ayaw ni Laylay! Ayan!
Uy, I'm so wet. Diyos ko.
So we're in the line for the Rio Grande ride. Yun na!
Wala, lay tayo ata tatamukan. Bin, nag-shower ka na.
Those shoes pa!
Super kawawa.
Tapos na?
Yeah.
Yun na yun!
Wet. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ay! Taas! Feeling ko tuloy puro bunga nga ako yung oh my God.
Kasi okay.
Hawakan mo ako tayo!
Lightas mo!
Wait lang! Feeling ko mahulog ako eh. Doon, hawakan mo ako. Sige, sige lang. Hawak ka sa gilid. Yan.
Lightas mo!
Tas mo. Yan. Oh no! Puro laman sa mukha! One more!
One more!
One more! One more! One more!
Guys, nasira na yung hack. Because I ripped it. One more. One more time. So it's gonna be our third time riding the jungle.
Jungle log. So yan, haba na ng pila guys. Suffer. Hi guys, so for the third time.
Mukha na naman po ang itlog dyan.
Oh no! Oh, let's go.
Ay! Ay! Saka!
Guys, bakit na kami sa susunod na yan? You know, can you see that? Ay na! Grabe yung basa! Yung mukha ko!
Paulit-ulit kayo ah!
Sabi?
Ba, nag-fight tayo.
Ay, naiwan yung chinelas ko! Delubyo talaga yung nasa harapan.
Hey guys! It's currently 4:50 and we were able to freshen up somehow.
Ay, wait lang. Nag-i-stack ko? Ay, gusto na? Ay, dumikit na? Ay, sorry. Madali yata sa loob eh.
Kailangan natin nakaganyan.
Go. Get that unicorn, baby.
Madali. Ang ganda ng Ferris wheel. Ng sunset. Wow.
Ang ganda ng Philippines. Softer.
Mainit ah.
Buti cinnamon lang, hindi pwede mix. Balik mo.
Ayoko na pala. Gusto ko mix. Arte nitong mga to.
Gusto ko chocolate. Gusto ko chocolate eh.
Sinabi namin chocolate. Sali kayo ka rin. Nainis.
Cheers. Uy, ikaw din.
Ganyan naman yung tusok mo naman.
Bakit?
2, 3.
Ano sa'yo na
Di ba na ganyan din tayo dati? Nang bata-bata pa tayo. New Yorkers. New York Supreme.
Yung ano yun, sinubo natin buo.
Oo.
White. Donut doon, di ba libre lang? Gardari.
In my tummy.
Spicy ba yan?
Dali mo muna itong pan. Nilalagay mo nga dito yan.
Pwede na ba kayo sa akin? Graduation na tayo eh. Ang bilis ng paros eh.
Dito na lang ako.
Hi. Loner, kawawang bata. Walang gustong may makatabi. Kawawa. What about you? What's the name of your horse?
It's horse.
That's Horsey. What about yours?
My horse name is Ricky.
Mine. My horse is from Tarlac. It's brown. Her name is Pony.
Hi guys. Ride with us.
Hey guys, so it's currently 6:32 and we're just waiting for our shuttle bus that I think it will arrive at 7 but manonood pa daw kami ng fireworks and the shuttle bus will leave around 8:15 so we still have like 1 hour, I mean at least 2 hours to stay in this park and I'm so tired but I'm very happy to be here because I really wanted to visit Enchanted Kingdom for a very long time. But I think mas mataas lang expectation ko because I was already in other amusement parks in other countries, especially in Korea, which is super extreme pa yung mga rides nila. And gusto kasi yung mga extreme rides. So, yeah. I'm just here waiting for them. Nag-toilet kasi sila.
Guys, bakit po nasa pinakaharap kami? Oh, mommy. Oh, mommy. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go! Wow! Wow! Sa hirap-hirap ng ginawa ko ngayon, dapat pumasar ako sa boards. Ay.
Mas parang nahilo ako this time compared sa first time.
Ako sumakit lalamunan ko.
Parang sigaw ka ng, oh, Engineer 2024! Siyempre. Manifesting. Hi guys! So it's currently 7:52 and we're just waiting for the bus to leave. Going back to Buendia Terminal. So, we're so tired. Nagkanya-kanya na kami ng upuan, guys. So we can like rest. We're here at LRT na. Sa Babalay, may pasukan dyan.
Dito, be.
Wala tong first time. Video. Para sa content. Titipid kami guys. Imbes na mag-taxi kami, we just took the public transport.
Nagulat niya ako. Sumakay ka kanina, nakita ko yung Marty.
Ay, wey, nakita ko kasi dun sa anong Nicolet. Go, 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 go! That is it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next time.